What's the meaning of bonding? Bonding. Bonding.
Bonding. Bonding. Bonding refers to the process of creating a connection or attachment between people or things. This can have various outcomes depending on the context, but generally it results in a sense of closeness, trust, and mutual understanding. In personal relationships, bonding can lead to deeper emotional intimacy, while in business or team settings, bonding can enhance collaboration and productivity. Bonding can also have physical effects on the body, such as the release of oxytocin, which is associated with feelings of bonding and affection. Overall, bonding is an important aspect of human interaction and can have positive impacts on both individuals and groups.